Ever feel like you are busy but going nowhere? Like something is missing in your life? What if I told you the missing piece is your purpose? Three problems why people feel weak without their purpose. Number one, lack of direction. Without a purpose, life feels like a constant hustle without meaning. Number two, emotional exhaustion. Chasing goals that don't truly matter drives your energy. Number three, low confidence. When you are not clear on your why, self doubt takes over. Three ways to empower yourself through your purpose. Number one, define your why. Ask yourself what truly excites and fulfills you. That's your compass. Number two, align your actions. Focus on habits and goals that connect to your purpose, not just random tasks. Number three, stay committed. Purpose gives strength. Stick to it, even when the path gets tough. When you discover your purpose, life transforms. You gain clarity, confidence, and the energy to thrive. So, what's your next step to align with your purpose? Please comment below. Thank you.